Hello everyone, hope you all are fine and doing your studies well. As I have discussed this trial balance chapter in my previous lectures also, today we are again going to discuss one more topic of the trial balance. Yes, Vijay, today I am discussing with you about the treatment of closing stock in the trial balance. Generally, closing stock is not shown in the trial balance because it is a part of the goods purchase which has not been sold at the end of the year. And we are showing the total purchase in the trial balance, so there is no need to show the closing stock at the end of the year. But if in the question there is a cost of goods sold has been given and the formula has been displayed over here on your screen, so you can see that cost of goods sold include opening stock, purchase and direct expenses, and it has excluded closing stock. So while preparing the trial balance, if we are mentioning cost of goods sold, then there is no need to show opening stock, purchase and direct expenses separately because it is the part of cost of goods sold. But here closing stock has been deducted, so in trial balance we will show here closing stock in the debit amount column. Now there is one question which is related to the cost of goods sold shown on your screen. You can pause the video, note down in your register. And this is the question has been taken from the T.S. Garewal. So you can see this practical problem over there also. Now we are discussing this problem, cost of goods sold. This is the cost expense, so it will be shown on the debit column, and closing stock again in debit column, then debtor debit, creditor in credit column, liability है, fixed asset debit, opening stock will not be shown because it is a part of cost of goods sold. Expenses, these are indirect expense, so 20,000 will be shown again on the debit column, sales credit column, and then capital also in the credit column. So you can see then at the end of what we have to do, we have to do the total. If total comes same, it means there is no error. And in the previous work as well as in the trial balance, I think this is also clear to all of you. Thank you very much. God bless you all. Be happy.